Imagine arriving at work, opening a laptop, and seeing a message for ransomware instead of your files. But this time, it's not about prevention. It's about what to do next. Hey everyone, I'm Shane from cyberdefenders.co.za, your all things cyber guru. And when ransomware hits, we help businesses recover quickly, calmly, and correctly. Ransomware can shut a business down quicker than load shedding hits at 6 p.m. Systems stop, emails freeze, and suddenly everyone's asking the same question. What now? This is where we come in. Recovery isn't just about restoring a backup and hoping for the best. We isolate the infection, investigate how it got in, verify that your backups are clean, and then we restore your systems safely. Our goals are simple: reduce the downtime, limit the damage, and get you back to business without panic making the decisions. When something goes wrong, you don't want guesswork. You want a plan. If your business had to go through ransomware tomorrow, would you be ready? If you're not sure, we should talk. Contact cyberdefenders.co.za for a quote, and make sure your recovery is controlled and not chaotic.